Welcome everyone. In this video, we will learn about auto increments in API Maker. Few databases supports fields which will be automatically incremented when new record is saved in database. This feature is useful when database does not support auto increment fields. In case of MongoDB, auto increment fields are not supported, so let's see this feature in action in MongoDB. In inventory database, in Galaxy, in schema, we have this field ID which is auto incremented by API Maker. If this field is auto incremented by database, then in case of SQL, it will be is auto incremented by DB true. Here this auto increment is managed by API Maker, so that's why it is by AM true. Now let's try to save using save single multiple. Let's see first data, and here we'll go to save single multiple, create a single object G1, let's say, and ID is auto incremented by API Maker, so no need to send it. We'll send that, and we are getting ID as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. We can also manage step and start also. So we want to start from 1000 and we want to increment by 10. We'll update that, and now first will be 1000, second will be incremented by 10. Now this auto increment values you can see in this section of auto increments, and you will see the next value here. So when we edit that value, and let's say we want 2000, we'll go back, we got the 2010 like that. So from that section we can manage those values. We should not commit these auto increment values, that's why its checkbox is not checked by default. But if you are destroying any environment like QA or UAT, then you can take their backup in Git repository by doing git commit and selecting these auto increments. And in future when you create that environment back and you take a git pull, those auto increment values will be restored.